Friends groups are a huge importance to state parks in many ways. They provide us a lot of volunteers by helping us with large events like the candlelight skis, first day hikes, things like that, our Earth Day play work days. They provide volunteers that help us on our trails, doing grooming and trail maintenance. They're also a huge part of parks when it comes to fundraising for projects that our own budgets might not allow for. Projects like the Eagle Tower and our nature center, things that are important to the community and to our visitors, but unfortunately kind of take a sidestep to things like sanitary systems and wells. They raised $750,000 plus to rebuild the tower, which was an immense help because it's not something that probably would have happened anytime soon without the push of the community and the Friends group.
Well, we just finished the tower. The tower obviously was about a 5-year project from the beginning, well, since they took it down to its current status. So we're very, very thrilled that it opened in May, and the ramp we're very, very pleased with. We've gotten a lot of feedback from people who weren't able to climb the tower in the past, who just are thrilled about it and, shared that with us. And every time I go out there, I see somebody who, is going up that probably wouldn't have been able to before. Besides the fact it's just a great walk through the canopy of the trees.
So all Door County parks have a Friends group involved with them. They are all extremely helpful in many ways, working with projects, working with volunteers. Every park is a little different. Every Friends group is a little different on where their focus is, because every park is different in what their needs are. You've got Rock Island, and they have a unique situation where they have such historical buildings, historical facilities that they need to renovate and raise money and funds for. You have Newport Wilderness Society, where their focus is the natural environment and doing what they can to keep that, including the Dark Sky Initiative. So every park has its little niche, and every Friends group follows along with that to help provide whatever they can to the park.
Well, anybody can volunteer to do almost really anything, depending on what you're really interested in. More people are really saying, wow, we really need the parks. It did a lot for me when I really, really needed it. So I think people, are happy to volunteer. And yes, volunteering is really an important part of helping with conservation.
The state parks in Door County are a huge component to Door County tourism. They bring in millions of visitors to the economy. Friends groups and volunteers in general are a huge component to our park system, and bringing what we can all together to help keep this park the way it needs to be in order to make our visitors happy, keep them happy, and send them home happy so they keep coming back.